much to this Forever Mark Forum interview. And to start with, Suraj, you know that De Beers is now changing the branding of Forever Mark to De Beers Forever Mark. So, what do you think will be the impact of this change in the consumer mindset?
Samiji, nice to interact. I think the brand change from Forever Mark to De Beers Forever Mark is a very good step. Because De Beers brand has been known in the Indian market for a long number of years already. From the yesteryears when the De Beers brands were operating in the market and stuff. And I think the connect of Forever Mark and De Beers is going to really accelerate the positioning in the mind of the consumer of Forever Mark. I think consumer is already more aware about Forever Mark. I think awareness has increased a lot over the past few years, and the connect of De Beers to bringing out the De Beers brand into the market is going to really help to further position Forever Mark from a consumer confidence perspective as well.
Okay, great. So now you have been part of the De Beers Forever Mark platform for many years now. So how do you see it for especially this year, while we have just come out of the second lockdown now, stores have opened up. So how do you see it going for this financial year?
I think for this financial year, we are looking forward for some sort of push in growth coming in with Forever Mark. I think overall, market has had a little bit of up and down this year due to the regionalized lockdowns and all these things happening. But what we've seen is whenever the stores are functioning, the consumer is always there. So, and we expect that as Forever Mark is kind of growing in presence and growing in the consumer's mind, that's definitely going to help us to grow. Our forecast for Forever Mark is to grow year on year. I think we've planned a growth strategy only with Forever Mark. We are looking to possibly add a door or two more in the Forever Mark brand, and I think long term, especially with De Beers Forever Mark coming in, it's going to be helpful to kind of for the consumer will be coming and asking for it more. That's what we are expecting.
Lovely. That's so good to hear. That way you'll be increasing a door or two. Maybe you should look at in the future to open a De Beers Forever Mark store. Maybe under the Kirtilal umbrella. It would be a nice thing to do in South.
We are already, of course, operating in Hyderabad at the Forum Sujana Mall. We are operating a boutique, which we launched in the pre-pandemic in 2019 July. We launched that. So I think we are looking forward to explore various business models as well.
Lovely, great. And finally, Suraj, the Forever Mark Forum is from 24th to 26th of August. What are you expecting in the forum this year?
So I think Forever Mark Forum every year is kind of an opportunity to, first of all, of course, it's great to connect with everyone in the industry. And, I think Forever Mark has done such an amazing job of bringing people together on this platform of Forever Mark Forum. And we really get to know what are the cutting edge things that are happening in jewelry retail globally because of De Beers Forever Mark's global presence. They kind of bring in the, the cutting edge technologies, the retail practices, and also not to mention the best kind of, knowledge sharing series with the very interesting speakers that they always have on the platform. And I think every year, of course, the Forever Mark senior management team, whether it is Sachin or Stephen, always look forward to hear from them and to meet them as well.
Great. Thank you very much. And we look forward to seeing you in Mumbai, for the first physical face-to-face forum after maybe 1.5 years almost now. So that would be really good to have you here.
Definitely would look forward to make it.
Thank you.